Hi everyone, I wanted to quickly demonstrate how to use ChatGPT ethically and responsibly. As you've seen, I released a ChatGPT policy this week in the course syllabus. This video will give you an embodied understanding of how to use ChatGPT ethically and responsibly in this course and how not to use ChatGPT in this course. Since I'm making a video using our sociological theory assignment as an example, it is okay to go ahead and use ChatGPT if you want to check your work or gain deeper insights and understanding into your research topic or questions. First, before using ChatGPT for assistance on an assignment, you should have completed the appropriate readings, videos, discussions, and have completed the assignment yourself. You should not use ChatGPT to complete your assignments. Let's look at the first prompt in the instructions. Research description. Present a concise description of your research topic or question. You should have already completed this description. It is not appropriate to have ChatGPT complete this description for you. But if you wanted feedback on your description or research question, you could paste that into ChatGPT for feedback. In this way, you are not having ChatGPT complete your answer, you are using it to enhance your research question and advance your knowledge beyond what was previously capable before ChatGPT. For example, take a look at this prompt. Please provide any feedback or insights you have for my research topic in question for my sociological theory assignment in my Intro Sociology course. As you see, ChatGPT will provide numerous suggestions, feedback, and insight to help you. But you do not want to do this first, you want to do this after you have already completed this part of the assignment yourself. Now let's look at prompt 2. Determine whether your research question or topic is best suited for a micro or macro level of analysis. Justify your choice. Again, you should have already engaged with the readings in Chapter 2 and with me and your students in your discussions to understand whether your research question is at the micro level or macro level. It is not appropriate to have ChatGPT determine this for you, but you can paste your answer into ChatGPT for feedback. In this way, you are using it as a research assistant to check your research concept and design. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, does my research topic in question match a macro level of analysis? As you can see, ChatGPT will provide numerous suggestions and insights to help you. But again, this is a tool to gain deeper understanding and insights, not to complete your work for you. ChatGPT is also great at clarifying topics. Let's say you wanted to clarify the differences between macro and micro levels of analysis. You could paste and enter, please explain the different levels of analysis related to sociological theories and research so I can better understand these concepts for my sociological theory assignment. Again, this is a tool to help you gain a deeper understanding and more insights. Understanding these concepts on a deeper level can enhance your assignment and advance your knowledge years beyond what was previously capable in this class, but you must use it responsibly. Let's look at prompt 3. Choose one sociological theory that you can apply to your research question or topic. Briefly explain why you have chosen this particular theory. For number 3, you should have already picked a theory that you want to apply. You should not have ChatGPT pick a theory for you. You should explain in your own words why you have chosen this theory. Do not have ChatGPT explain this for you. Again, you can paste the answer you've already created for number 3 into ChatGPT for feedback and to advance your knowledge. But you do not want to have ChatGPT complete this question for you. For example, look at this prompt I'm pasting into ChatGPT. Below is the research topic, research question, and theory I've chosen for my sociological theory assignment. Please analyze whether I have chosen an appropriate theory for my research question. And ChatGPT will help you gain deeper insights and understanding. That said, you should always remain critical. For example, I just entered a micro-level topic and research question into ChatGPT, but I entered a macro-level theory. This is one of the huge limitations of ChatGPT. It does not have the contextual understanding that a human does. Sometimes it will give you an incorrect response and try to help you apply a macro-level theory to a micro-level question. That is the ecological fallacy. We cannot do that. In this case, it does note that while your research question may be more micro-level in nature, conflict theory can still provide valuable insights into the aspects of your topic. But this is why it's important to already understand the concepts and the material before you use ChatGPT. Otherwise, it can easily and quickly lead you astray. Let's move on to prompt 4. Application of tenets. For each core assumption or tenet of the chosen theory, describe the tenet, explain how this tenet can be applied to your research question or topic. For number 4, you should not have to initially ask ChatGPT for the tenets of your theory or what they are, because I have provided that for you in a theory handout and it was covered in your readings. But since this is probably the part of the assignment that requires the most critical thinking, you can paste your answers after you've completed this prompt on your own for feedback. Let's use the macro level topic and research question I used previously and ask ChatGPT for feedback and insights after we apply one of conflict theory's tenets to explain our topic in question. Here's a sample prompt. Below, I apply one of the tenets of conflict theory to explain the below research question and topic. Please analyze the application of my tenet and provide any relevant feedback and insights. Again, you are doing this after you have already done the work to enhance your assignment, enhance your understanding, to gain deeper insights. You are not using ChatGPT to complete your work for you. As you can see, ChatGPT will offer numerous insights and give you a deeper understanding of what you're studying and how to study it. Again, you are not having ChatGPT apply the tenets for you. You are using ChatGPT either as a tool for feedback or deepening your understanding. For example, you could also ask ChatGPT to explain the tenets of conflict theory to you to deepen your understanding. However, remember that the responsible thing to do is to do your readings and consult the theory handout and your instructor first before relying on ChatGPT for further understanding. You've already done the work and you still need clarification or want a deeper understanding, you can ask ChatGPT to please explain the tenets of conflict theory so that you can gain a deeper understanding of the concepts. As you can see, ChatGPT will provide depth and clarity. This is the power of ChatGPT, used ethically and responsibly in this course. With great power comes great responsibility. So please follow the ChatGPT guidelines in the syllabus policy and remember the following. You should never copy and paste text directly from ChatGPT into your homework assignment and turn it in as your own work. This is a breach of academic integrity akin to plagiarism. Treat ChatGPT as a supplementary resource, not your primary resource. It's there to help you clarify and structure ideas, but should not replace your effort in understanding and analysis. ChatGPT might provide a vast amount of information, but always remain critical. Don't accept everything without analyzing its relevance and accuracy. For example, ChatGPT 3 will make up 100% fake references. It was not trained on data that allows it to create accurate references. It can create accurate knowledge, but you have to have understanding of the tool to use it correctly. Next, something you might have not thought about, avoid sharing personal information or data. Keep the conversation focused on the academic topic. Don't share information about me or your fellow students. Finally, instead of asking ChatGPT for direct answers, try to frame your questions in ways that enhance your understanding. As we demonstrated above, for example, can you help me understand the tenets of conflict theory? Can you explain these? Can you help me gain a deeper understanding? This is how you use ChatGPT. If you use it to complete your homework assignments for you, you are not only cheating at the college level, you are cheating yourself, especially since over-reliance on ChatGPT can have significant negative impacts and implications for cognitive function and memory long term. Now that I've explained what is expected, please let me know if you have any questions.